In today's video, we are going to explore Dalai Lama inspirational quotes on wisdom, faith, hope and humanity. A good friend who points out mistakes and imperfections and rebukes evil is to be respected as if he reveals the secret of some hidden treasure. A lack of transparency results in distrust and a deep sense of insecurity. A spoon cannot taste of the food it carries. Likewise, a foolish man cannot understand the wise man's wisdom even if he associates with a sage. An open heart is an open mind. As you breathe in, cherish yourself. As you breathe out, cherish all beings. Because of lack of moral principle, human life becomes worthless. Moral principle, truthfulness, is a key factor. If we lose that, then there is no future. Calm mind brings inner strength and self-confidence, so that's very important for good health. Climate change is not the concern of just one or two nations. It is an issue that affects the whole of humanity and every living being on this earth. Forget the failures. Keep the lessons. Home is where you feel at home and are treated well. I always believe the rule by king or official leader is outdated. Now we must catch up with the modern world. I defeat my enemies when I make them my friends. I find hope in the darkest days, and focus in the brightest. If you have a particular faith or religion, that is good. But you can survive without it. If your heart has peace, nothing can disturb you. In order to become prosperous, a person must initially work very hard, so he or she has to sacrifice a lot of leisure time. In order to carry a positive action, we must develop here a positive vision. In our struggle for freedom, truth is the only weapon we possess. In the practice of tolerance, one's enemy is the best teacher. It is very rare or almost impossible that an event can be negative from all points of view. Judge your success by what you had to give up in order to get it. Just one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Know the rules well, so you can break them effectively. Let us try to recognize the precious nature of each day. Look at situations from all angles, and you will become more open. My faith helps me overcome such negative emotions and find my equilibrium. Neither a space station nor an enlightened mind can be realized in a day. Old friends pass away, new friends appear. It is just like the days. An old day passes, a new day arrives. The important thing is to make it meaningful, a meaningful friend, or a meaningful day. Our ancient experience confirms at every point that everything is linked together, everything is inseparable. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. Our visit to this planet is short, so we should use our time meaningfully, which we can do by helping others wherever possible. Share your knowledge. It is a way to achieve immortality. Silence is sometimes the best answer. Sleep is the best meditation. The creatures that inhabit this earth, be they human beings or animals, are here to contribute, each in its own particular way, to the beauty and prosperity of the world. The important thing is that men should have a purpose in life. It should be something useful, something good. The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation for goodness. The ultimate authority must always rest with the individual's own reason and critical analysis. The world doesn't belong to leaders. The world belongs to all humanity. Time passes unhindered. When we make mistakes, we cannot turn the clock back and try again. All we can do is use the present well. We must recognize that the suffering of one person or one nation is the suffering of humanity. When you practice gratefulness, there is a sense of respect toward others. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.